Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AnsibleSikho. So here in this video we are going to see how to download and install Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu desktop with a minimal size ISO file. Okay, we require CentOS as well as Ubuntu because both belong to different OS family. Okay, so it would be clear for us when we are going to uh, perform or write a playbook, and based on the condition we are going to perform a certain task on Red Hat as well as on Ubuntu server. Okay, so you have to follow this particular link, the first link. uh, it says not available. Downloading LTS. Let's see. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, so we are going to download Ubuntu desktop only. Okay, so I'm looking for LTS version because LTS version would be a stable version. Okay, yeah, this one. Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, so this particular version we are going to use. You can download. Okay, since I have already downloaded in my system. Okay, no service available. Handle request. Yeah, it seems there is a problem. Yeah, but later on, okay, so if you are going to download this particular version, so it will get downloaded. Okay, it will take a time based on your internet bandwidth. Okay, once it is downloaded, we'll see the next step, how to install it, how to deploy this particular OS. Okay, yeah, so after downloading, so here it is, the ISO file, AMD processor, 5.9 GB. Okay, I'm going to open my VMware workstation. Okay, select file option, go to new virtual machine option. Okay, click next. I will install operating system later. Choose this option, then click next. Then select this option, Linux as, and the version should be CentOS 864. This version does not matter, but you have to select this one only. Here you have to give a user-friendly name, a meaningful name to your Ubuntu server. I will give Ubuntu hyphen node 2. Okay, node 2. Okay, just copy it, browse the location where you have to actually create or keep this file. So I will go to this PC, VMs. Here I am going to create a new folder. Folder name will be the virtual machine name. Okay, select OK, go to next. Maximum disk size should be 20. We are not going to perform any big task or any file or storage related task, so 20 GB is more than sufficient. Store virtual disk file, okay, as a single file. Okay, choose the middle option, select next. Now at this point you have to select this customize hardware before clicking on finish. Okay, do not click on finish right now. Customize hardware. Now come here. You have to just remove the USB controller and sound card and choose this option. Choose this option. Do not choose this one. Just remove it. So I'm going to remove it. Now this option will be available. You have to go here and select this one. Browse browse the location where you have saved your file. Okay. So I have Ubuntu. Okay, it is not there. Where it is? Software Ubuntu. Okay. Then finally you have to close. Okay. Then click on finish. VM is ready. I'm going to increase the size of memory. Here it is 1 GB, so I'm going to give it to 3 GB maximum, and processor it should be up to 2. Okay, and this should be 3 GB. For smooth execution and installation, I believe it should be 3, more than 3 is sufficient. Processor, number of core should be 1, and number of processor should be 2. Fine. Now click on power on this virtual machine. Inside that, select the second option, press arrow key, down arrow key on your keyboard. This highlight gray color highlight option will be on second. Name Ubuntu safe graphic, hit enter. Wait for the instructions or the files which are going to load. It's loading all the setup files. Okay, the moment loading finishes, okay, then you would be able to get all the options to select and proceed with the installation. I believe it is done. Select. By default English would be selected, but you have to just confirm it. Okay, select next. Accessibility in Ubuntu, we don't want all these things. Select next. Keyboard English US. Okay, next. Internet connection, use wired connection. Okay, that is fine. Next. I'm going to skip it for now because I want this installation to be finished as soon as possible. Skip. Okay, install Ubuntu alongside or instead of your current operating system. This shouldn't take too long. Or try Ubuntu. You can try Ubuntu without making any changes to your computer. Okay, we are going to install. First option. So here we are getting two options: interactive installation or automated installation. So I want interactive installation. Default selection, I will go with the default selection. I don't want anything to be installed as a proprietary software as of now, because this is just a virtual machine for testing purpose or learning purpose. Erase the disk and install the Ubuntu. Yes, your name, I will say Artec. Okay, here we have to give machine name. So Ansible hyphen node 2. Password, the common password which we use, you can put that. We are not using anti directory, so leave that box empty. Time zone, this is the right one. Okay, click on install. So it is going to copy all the required files of operating system. Okay, meanwhile I'll pause the video. Once the copying or installation is completed, the next stream, okay, I'm going to share again. Yeah, so the installation has been completed now and it's asking us for the reboot. Let's restart it. Failed mounting, CD-ROM mount not required. After the reboot, yeah, it is successfully rebooted and reloaded all its supported files. Okay, let's log in with this user ID. That's perfect. Okay, here we are getting something like enable Ubuntu Pro. No, we can skip it. Okay, share the data, do not share the data. Okay, then app section. Currently we don't want it now. Okay, so let's finish it. Okay, this is done. So let's find the terminal here, right? Let's say hostname. Yeah, Ansible Node 2, what we had given earlier at the time of installation. 30.133. IP is also assigned automatically, right? Yeah, so this is how you have to install Ubuntu on your workstation, and we are going to use this system as a target node or managed node in our playbook, in our inventory. Okay, yeah, fine. That's all in this video, friends. See you in the next video. Keep watching, do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.